Hello everyone, I want to teach you how to read Vernier caliper, okay? This is the Vernier caliper I'm talking to you, okay? This is the Vernier caliper I am telling you right now, all right? This Vernier caliper has two scales. One of it is main scale and the second one is Vernier scale, all right? Now, from this place now, you can see here is the main scale and this place is the Vernier scale. Okay, you can see it. See the main scale, okay, and you see the Vernier scale. All right. The question on board. This is a question on board. All right. This question on board asks us to take the reading of this main Vernier scale. Please remember that this is a rough sketch of this equipment, all right, for the question's sake. Now, looking at this question, it says we should take the reading of this Vernier caliper, okay? M here stands for main scale, and the V here stands for Vernier scale, all right? So the main scale of this Vernier caliper is here, up one here, and the Vernier scale is here, okay? Now, you now come and check your scale. How is it calibrated? You can see 4, 5, and so on, okay? After 10 lines, you get 5, okay? Now, start taking our reading. Here is 4, and here is 5. That means this is, the next line is 4.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 4.5, 4.6, 4.7, 4.8, 4.9, then 5. So our main scale, let's use M to stand for our main scale. Our main scale now is 4.5. That is the line you have before the main scale line, okay? So it will now be 4.5 cm. It is calibrated, the equipment is calibrated in cm, all right? 4.5 cm if you check it. Now, next one we are going to add there is our V scale, that is Vernier caliper scale. Then we'll check a place of coincidence, a place where all these lines coincide with the main scale, okay? Checking it, there's no one, the line here, there's no place the line here match with the up one, okay? Until you reach here, you can now see that the line down match with the line up, okay? So this one that coincide, if it's this one that coincides with the upper line, is the one we are going to take. And check, this is 5. That means here is 1, 2, 3, 4, before 5, okay? So the value here is 4, okay? But we will not use that 4 direct, all right? We now divide the 4 by 100, okay? Now the 4 here we divide by 100. It will now give us 0.04 cm, okay? Now the total reading of this Vernier caliper will now be 4.5 plus 0.04, which will now give us 4.54 cm, okay? So this is how to read this equipment, okay? There is nothing more. Just check the value of the Vernier and the scale, okay, and the main one. Okay, this is how to read it, all right? Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe or follow, okay? Comment, share, and like the video. Thank you so much, and God bless.